आमी पळयत आहा आनी कांय वालोर ना उलोवपाक कांय मेळोंक ना आमकां एज पीपल ऑफ गोवा. मेन थिंग इट बॉयल्स डावन टू वेरी सिंपल थिंग इज करप्शन, and corruption powered by singular power. Singular power means the ruling party is so strong, whether it's in the center or in the state, so कोणीच care करना, and that's the thing which has to change. As I've always said, I was a big supporter of BJP in the past. I'm also a supporter of the Congress. So we are people who like anywhere in the world, that people will move from one party to the other depending on the situation. I have never seen something of this sort where power has corrupted so badly, and whatever you might talk. उदकाचे प्रॉब्लम, सिलिंगाचे प्रॉब्लम, आनी कितें the amount of things that are happening across Goa and across India, the main core is corruption. So my appeal to the people of Goa is to stop all this nonsense and start electing good people. Instead of electing people based on party, based on anti-Gandhiism. Even I have my own doubts about the Gandhi family. But leave all that aside. Now is the time for us to come to a situation where we throw out the people who are known corrupt. And in Goa, the names are so clear. We don't even need to say it. Who are the corrupt people? Corruption is written on their face, and they are least bothered about what you and I do. But time has come for people to react and to respond and to throw these people out of lock, stock and barrel. Tennas, change. आमची आशा पळय change जावपाक तेन्ना जातली ती change. Otherwise, it will not happen.
See, I think, if you ask me, it's a very serious thing. Such haphazard work with so much of money spent, I think Govind Gowde has to resign. That's the only way, because people are so angry, and this is the only thing. They should just get off the position if they cannot manage good works. He should resign, definitely. This is not acceptable. After spending so much money, after closing the Kala Academy for so long, putting people into so much inconvenience, they have to shift the music school, do whatever. He has so much of time. Such haphazard work means there is a lot of corruption going on underneath. And that is the problem. So I think they should take the responsibility. It happens all over the world. If you do things like this, you resign. And then there should be an inquiry why this is happening. Otherwise, we are not going to see any proper governance in this place. So I feel that he should resign.
कशें आसा मरे गोविंद गावडे म्हाका एका शब्दान वाक्य सांगता तुका, जहापन्ना तू ग्रेट हो. कित्याक जी कला अकादमीची जी परिस्थिती आहे तेंच्यांनी करून सोडल्या पळय, जवळ जवळ म्हाका दिसता 75 crores रुपीज ताका इन्वेस्ट केल्या हेंच्यांनी. म्हाका दिसता आनी एक कला अकादमी सारकी संस्था उबी जातली त्या पयशांनी. हांगा एक करप्शन जालां तितून नो डावट. गेले फाटी स्लॅब पडलो तेन्ना मुख्यमंत्र्यान चौकशी केली आनी ताका इमिजिएटली क्लियर चीट दिली. आतां कसली चौकशी मुख्यमंत्र्यान केली ती म्हाकाय खबर ना. आयज भाजपाचो अध्यक्ष सांगता कितें, आमी मुख्यमंत्र्याक उलयला, मुख्यमंत्री चौकशी करतलो आनी फाल्यां पत्रकारांक सांगतलो. ही फक्त नौटंकी चल्लेली आसा. सर्वसामान्याचो पयसो करोडांनी रुपया अशें इलिगलिटीज करप आनी तो पाण्यात व्हांवून वचप. कला अकादमी इतिहास आसा. आमच्या भुरग्यापणान म्हाका दिसता शेकड्यान ते नाटकां पयले, तियात्र पयले, मोठे मोठे कार्यक्रम पयले. जी कला अकादमी ज्या मनशान बांदलेली तेका सुद्दां इतकें वायट दिसता, बाबा इतकी बरी वास्तू आपण उबारून हे वास्तूची हेंच्यांनी वाट लायली म्हणून. कोणीन गोविंद गावडे एक कलाकार, बरो नाटकी, तो नाटकी आनी कला अकादमी फरक आसा. हें पयल्या उपरांत तो कलाकार करता नौटंकी कसो दिसता म्हाका. हे पयशे आतां सर्वसामान्याचे पळय अशें वाट लावन येता, ताका जबाबदार कोण? मुख्यमंत्री काय आर्ट एंड कल्चर मिनिस्टर गोविंद गावडे? हे दोगां भितर एकट्यान क्लियर करचें, बाबा आपल्या पयशांच्या बोल्सांचे पयशे मोडून आपूण ते आतां परती सारकी करतलो म्हणून.